I had the opportunity to try this Oelbach Sp25 from the Silverline line, a multi-strand silver-coated OFC copper cable with 0.12 millimeter gauge cross-sections, as thin as angel hair. After years of testing different materials such as pure and tinned copper, even in stranded, loose, or multi-run configurations, I thought I'd found the perfect cable with Duelund's tinned copper with cotton dielectric cables. However, curiosity drove me to try this Oelbach. Mixed with Duelund's DCA16GA, the combination achieved surprising sonic perfection. When switching to a single 2.5 millimeter cable, I noticed a somewhat bare sound, especially in the low range. Doubling the cross-section to 5 millimeters improved the body of the mid-range, but the bass still lacked that touch of punch. By adding Duelund's DA16GA cable, bringing the cross-section to 6.5 millimeters per speaker, I obtained a precise and well-placed bass, a clearer and at the same time natural mid-range than the previous one, and light and never fatiguing highs. It's a moderately priced cable that delivers truly impressive performance. I should point out that I always use bare wire. I don't use banana plugs or other objects to connect the cable to the speakers or amplifier. It may seem a little awkward, but it delivers the best performance because there's less material interfering with the signal.